With prolonged use, the tip of the key becomes worn, resulting in reduced key length and compromised decoding accuracy. This necessitates the use of adjustment and decode slowly. Decode slowly will be helpful to observe decoding process to confirm the correction of decoding position. In this tutorial, we use a Buick GL8 key for demonstration. S1 jaw, 1mm decoder and 2.0mm cutter are needed. Click Search. Input ID 163 to enter the key data page. Fix the original key by tip alignment on the side C shown in the figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Then click Decode button. This will take you to the Decode Slowly screen. The decoder automatically pauses during decoding. Adjustable dwell time, we use 3 seconds in this video. Ensures perfect depth reading. Click Decode to start decoding. Clearly, the decoder isn't aligned with the correct cut position, which means the decoded bidding code must be inaccurate. Next, we need to use the adjustment function by entering the required values in cut location and cut width. This value requires empirical adjustment based on your expertise. Decode slowly observes how much it needs to be adjusted, and adjustment adjusts key space and key depth for worn keys. Then click Save and Decode buttons to start decoding. You can see the decoder accurately aligns with the bidding positions, confirming the decoding is correct. Now let's proceed to cut a new key. Fix the key blank by tip alignment on the side C shown in the figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Click Cut to start cutting. All cutting is done, please clean the shavings. And test the new key. Works well.